Hello, friends. So today what we're going to look at is how to put interim grades on the interim report using facts. This process is very similar to the report card, but not exactly the same. There are a couple little differences here. So obviously our very first step is to log into facts and then go to our classrooms. I'll do that here. All right, so my classes have popped up here. I'm going to pick Miss D. McKelly's art class as an example. So we'll click on that, pick whichever ones you are doing the grades for. Over here, we'll click report card. Once this names come up, what we'll do is click on progress report. This is where you will enter the grades for the interim report. We can enter them individually if we want as we go down, and we can do that. But also, we also have the fill button. The fill button will make sure that every student has the exact same grade. So I did fill. Every student got an M. I often use the thing, what we want to do is we'll just kind of give the students who do not have M's the other grades, and they'll save us some work. Now, unfortunately, there is not that same option for comments. So what I often suggest, if you're going to put the same comment in there, you can copy and paste them, and then it'll save you a lot of work there. So this is how you enter the interim grades onto the interim report. Remember to click Save. There you go. So now the grades are on there. Now let's say you want to double check the interim report, make sure the grades are there. So what we'll do is we'll go back to the student information system, wait for that to load. And once it loads, what we'll do is go over here to the menu and select Report Manager. Again, as we go through this, remember I have a lot more reports than you, but the steps are exactly the same. Click on Academics, and then Progress Report, Report Card Web. Remember to do the progress report. Don't make the same mistake I made a bunch of times. So we'll click on that. You'll have to change this to Q2. I'm going to select Miss D. McKelly's homeroom because that's who I use. We'll just move a couple of students over so that it doesn't take quite as long to load. But if you want to move them all over, click on this double arrow here. Whoop, there they all are. And if you want to get rid of them all, whoop, there they all go. There they are. There they go. But we're just going to collect the two we put comments in. So move those over, click on View Report, and then you'll view progress reports. This should automatically be set to this, but if it's not, change it to Diocese of Columbus Interim. None of these buttons matter. No matter what you do, they don't change anything. So don't even bother clicking them. Then click View, and then it'll take a few seconds to load the report. Click Continue to see them, and you can see right here we did arts. So we have grades here in the art. One thing to pay attention to, this teacher request, that is unable to be filled out automatically through fax. So if you need a conference, a phone conference, or if you're going to attach life skills to it, you need to do that in a separate email and let the parents know. All right, that's how you do that. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask and let me know if you have any problems.